In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Siri keyboard shortcut on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, you want to select Siri. And then on the right side where it says Keyboard Shortcut, click this little drop-down arrow, and then you can select a custom one, or you can even customize it further, and then press whatever key you want in order to activate Siri, basically. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.